Hi, this is Visibroad channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add new address on Amazon. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. There's no denying the convenience of Amazon. It has nearly every product you could ask for available to ship to you in a matter of days. In fact, you don't have to send it to yourself. You can send something to any address you want. Amazon has an address book where you can add and manage postal addresses. This will include yours, perhaps also those of friends, family, or your workplace. Whatever the case, we're going to show you how to manage the Amazon address book on your phone. So simple. So first of all, first we have to open our Amazon. Now you can just tap on your location in here. And you can just tap on manage address book. Here you can add a new address. Tap on add new address. You can just enter your phone number and add to address. Like this. You can add your new address. You can enter the street. Like this. And you can just tap on add address. Don't forget to add your postal. So here's your new address on your Amazon. It's a simple right? So that is how to add new address on your Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.